The taskbar. Taskbar is an element of the operating system that allows you to locate and launch programs or view any currently opened program through the Start menu. It also allows the user to check the date and time and items running in the background through the notification area. The Windows taskbar appears at the bottom of the screen. If you hover, move your mouse over an icon associated with a program that is running, you see thumbnails of all the copies of the program. Let's learn some more about the taskbar of the Windows 10 operating system. The Windows 10 taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen, having the Start menu as well as the icons of frequently used applications or software. On the right side of the taskbar is the notification area, which informs the user of different things like the status of the internet connection or the charge of the laptop battery, date and time, calendar, etc. The icons in the middle of the taskbar are pinned applications, which helps you to have quick access to the applications you use frequently. Pinned applications will stay on the taskbar until you unpin them. Cool fact: the taskbar was first introduced with Microsoft Windows 95 and can be found in all subsequent versions of Windows. Pin an application on the taskbar. To pin an application or software on the taskbar, follow these steps. Search for the application you want to pin to the Start menu. Right-click on the application. Select the More option at the top of the menu. Select the Pin to Taskbar option from the context menu as shown in the following figure. Unpin an application from the taskbar. If you want to unpin an application from the taskbar, just right-click its icon on the taskbar and select the Unpin from Taskbar option. You can pin it back again anytime you want. Start button. Like Windows 8.1, Windows 10 also comes with the Start button on the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Clicking the Start button on the desktop will launch the Start menu, which you can use to open programs. It also has a search bar next to it, which helps in searching for applications or files present in the computer's hard disk or from the web. Icons. Icons are used for launching, starting different programs. The taskbar consists of two kinds of icons. Icons that have been pinned there. Windows OS comes with two icons on the taskbar, one for Microsoft Edge and one for File Explorer. Icons associated with running desktop programs. Every time a program starts, an icon for the program appears on the taskbar. If you run 3 copies of the program, only one icon shows up. When the program stops, the icon disappears. Changing the color of the taskbar. To change the color of your taskbar, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Select Settings and then click Personalization, Colors. Show accent color on the following surfaces. Choose Custom from Choose Your Color drop-down. Choose the default Windows mode as Dark. Select Start, Taskbar and Action Center. This will change the color of your taskbar to the color of the overall theme. Lock and unlock the taskbar. Locking the taskbar makes sure it remains how you set it up. You can unlock it later when you want to make changes or change the taskbar's location on the desktop. To lock or unlock the taskbar, follow these steps. Press and hold or right-click on any empty space of the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings and turn on Lock the Taskbar. You can unlock the taskbar by turning off Lock the Taskbar. Changing the taskbar location. Generally, the taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop, but you can also move it to either side or the top of the desktop. When the taskbar is unlocked, you can change its location. To change the location of the taskbar, perform these steps. Unlock the taskbar if it is locked. Press and hold or right-click on any empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings, Taskbar Location on screen, and then select Left, Top, Right or Bottom. Notification Area. The notification area is located at the right side of the taskbar, and it contains app icons that provide the status and notifications about various things such as incoming emails, updates, and network connectivity. Setting the date and time. The date and time is displayed at the lower right corner of the taskbar within the desktop app window in Windows 10. You can set the date and time in Windows 10. To set the date and time in Windows 10, follow these steps. Open the Settings window from the Start menu. Select the Time and Language option. Click the Date and Time category at the left side of the window that appears. To view date and time settings in the area to the right. In the Date and Time section, you can see the computer's current date and time. To enable or disable Internet time synchronizing, click the Set Time Automatically toggle switch to set it to either the on or off position. Select your time zone from the Time Zone drop-down list. Showing the desktop. If you have opened many windows at the same time, it can be difficult to see the desktop. When this happens, you can click the bottom right corner of the taskbar to minimize all open windows. To restore the minimized windows, just click the corner again. Disk Cleanup. During the normal use of your computer, you will accumulate a number of unnecessary files, temporary, setup, or internet files, recycle bin, etc. You can remove these files with the built-in Disk Cleanup utility of Windows 10. To use Disk Cleanup, perform these steps. Type Disk Cleanup in the search box and click on it. Select the drive you want to clean up and then select OK. Under Files to delete, select the file types to remove. To get a description of the file type, select it. Select OK. If you need to free up more space, you can also delete system files. For this, do the following. In Disk Cleanup, select Cleanup System Files. Select the file types you want to delete. To get a description of the file type, select it. Select OK. Personalizing your desktop. It's very easy to customize the look and feel of your desktop in Windows 10. To open the personalization settings, right-click anywhere on the desktop, then select Personalize from the drop-down menu. The personalization settings will appear. There are different options under personalization settings. A brief description of them is given below. Background. From here, you can choose and customize the background of the desktop of your computer. Colors. By default, Windows 10 will assign an accent color based on your desktop background image. However, you can turn this feature off if you want to choose your own accent color as explained above. Lock screen. From here, you can customize the appearance of your lock screen. As with your desktop background, you can use a built-in picture or select Browse to choose one of your own. Themes. A theme is a combination of desktop background pictures, window colors, and sounds. You can select from many built-in themes if you want. Fonts. From here, you can install new fonts. Start. You can customize certain options for the Start menu, like choosing to show the Start menu in full screen mode. Taskbar. From here, you can customize the taskbar to lock it in its location or hide it in different modes. Changing the font size. If you have difficulty seeing the text on your computer, you can increase the font size. Increasing the font size will also increase the size of the icons and other items on your desktop. Let's follow these steps to change font size. Open Settings and then select System. The display options will appear. Use the drop-down arrow to scale up or down the size. After you have made your selection, the changes will be seen. Keyboard shortcuts to navigate in Windows 10. You can use the keyboard shortcuts given in the following table to perform different operations in Windows 10. Key, Task. Windows key, activate the Start menu. Ctrl plus F4, close the currently opened programs or windows. Alt plus Tab to switch between any opened programs on your computer. Windows plus D to switch to the desktop view. Windows plus T opens the taskbar and shows the first window that is open. You may move forward with the right arrow key to switch to the next opened window. Alt plus F4, this will shut down the current window. It will prompt you to save your work if not saved. Shift plus click a taskbar button. Opens an app or quickly opens another instance of an app. Shift plus right-click a taskbar button. Shows the window menu for the app.